So towards the end of last year, I decided to get the Anker Prime 250 watts power bank, and I have used this from October up till January of 2025. This has been 5 months and it doesn't work anymore. It's dead for some reason. I have no clue why this is happening, but it's been off now for about a week or two. I'm staying positive about the whole thing. The night when it stopped working, I almost lost my mind. I almost lost my damn mind. This is going to be like the first time tech is actually failing on me. And for some reason, the power bank that a lot of people were like throw away because it looks like it was about to explode is still holding up even after like 3 years now since when I got it. And this just lasted me little over 5 months. I have no idea. I have no clue why this is happening. I wish I could explain the whole issue, but I used it at night, tried to charge it back, and it refused to charge. The screen just refused to come on, and then it eventually came on and it was just making a beeping sound. I almost felt like it was going to explode, I won't lie. Little hope in me has been testing or trying once in a while to like see if it would work. Yeah, it's sad. On the bright side, I do have a warranty from Anker, but on the bad side as well, I didn't really get this directly from Anker. I actually got this from a company that ships things to Nigeria from the US. So the unfortunate thing now is that I have to ship this back to the company's store, to their US store. The price I checked on DHL, I checked on GIG Logistics, which is like a popular Nigerian logistics company, and all of which are approximately 100k, I think average 100,000 naira. That's about what? 70 USD just to ship this back, and I don't even know what it's going to cost to ship it back to me. So at this point I'm just confused. I am really rethinking, do I have to send it back? Why don't I just save the money and just do something else with it? But at the same time, this cost me over $180. Do I just let it go and just watch it like sit here dead? I just decided to share this quick update. Honestly, the Anker Prime Power Bank served its purpose. I basically used this like 8 times, but during those times it was perfect. It was a perfect power bank. It did everything I wanted it to do. It served its purpose, but unfortunately it's dead and it's not working anymore. If you notice, I've been clicking the button, just hoping that maybe luck will be on my side and maybe I just click it, and then process of making this video, this just decides to come back on or something like that. I'm just rambling at this point, but yeah. So yeah, I just decided to make this video so you guys know what's up and why I might not be making a dedicated Anker Prime follow-up review, 6 months later review. And yeah, if you're considering buying the Anker Prime, this should not scare you. Honestly, I think this just happens to this is just like an unlucky scenario. It doesn't always happen. I know a lot of people who have this and they have no issues with it, but yeah, probably I just got unlucky for the first time because I've never had this kind of things happen to me. If you still want to get it, you can. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. At this point, it sounds kind of odd telling you to buy something that failed for me, but it was a good power bank and I would be getting it shipped, hopefully, if I can find the money for that. But yeah, I'll be getting it shipped back to them and hopefully get it replaced or fixed, whichever they decide to do. I haven't made a video in a very long time. This is just one of those filler videos. But yeah, I guess that's all I have to say for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see tech related content, and I'll be out of your way and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.